very much, efcom, for inviting us. We are happy and very, very lucky to join you here in person after 3 years. It was our last, community session. My name is Mateja Campa, and I will tell you something about our company. We were listening about uncertainty in a post-pandemic era, but we also know that the changes are happening daily. We are facing new competitors. There are well-funded disruptors changing, shaking the world. But we have to admit that all this, what is happening, is also founded or based on data. So today, I won't talk about our, let's say, process-oriented products, but I will challenge you and myself as well to talk about different perspective, that is data-driven perspective, so data-oriented, and I will try to focus how setting a data strategy to a journey to become a data-driven organization. So basically, we all know that in this 2017, a debate has started to challenge you. So what was until then the most valuable resource in the world? Someone? Oil, definitely. Today maybe we will argue because the prices are so high that this would be again very valuable for us. But on the other hand, this debate has put different aspect on data. So data and data decision making become the next top buzzword in the business. So definitely, from that taking into this perspective, we have to realize what's the power of using the data in our business. And all this debate caused a new phenomenon, new buzzword, also to start talking about data-driven organizations. And we know that all are very well known into business you are doing, into factoring and other business as well. And we know also that we are not just recognizing how to collect and gather this raw data, but we have to know or have the knowledge and also the technology to use this raw data to make the right decision making. And to challenge us and ask ourselves, what is data-driven as organization? Of course, I use data, I'm data-driven. No, actually, it's far more from this. So getting raw data, deeping into this raw data, refining this raw data and finding ways to use it, analyze it, and make better decisions to grow and to make additional profit in our business. It's data-driven is also beyond having big investments into data technology, into analytics, into people having knowledge about data analysis or data science. We need to grow the culture of data. So putting this data in every aspect of our organization. This, of course, starts from the top management and then going down on every level of organization. It's also about setting the strategy, what data, which data to use, how to use it, getting then skills to do this, and of course, effectively use resources to have this. So basically, to be data-driven organization means that you have to, or we have to place data in front of and in center of our work done. Also effectively and consistently use data to generate this decision-making information. And of course, driving and innovating new products, satisfying our customers, and also enhancing our employees' productivity. So why does it matter to become data-driven? Here I will use 4 cases, learning from the big one, how to do it. First, how to better capitalize on opportunities is the case of Netflix. Netflix, we all know about them. They are using large amount of data and putting a lot of investment into their analytics to learn about what their spectator or how to users want to watch, and also invest into this type of movies or industry that is interesting for the people. So all these investments are then very well, informed on the basis of data. Next is how to generate the revenue from something that is already existing in our business. It's the case of Amazon. They are using a lot of data about the customers, the clients we are actually, what are our habits, how we are clicking on their website, choosing the products. So, and on the basis of this data, they are offering us what would be our next purchase or what are other customers buying. So they are somehow also maybe helping us to decide what else we need, and then of course make additional benefit for them. Also, how to make more customer-centric solution is a case of one of airlines who were observing what are their customers doing on their website when buying tickets or selecting a flight. So by learning how they are behaving, they were able to get better services on a certain flights, and to also to make them easier to decide and go to flight with them. And beside all this, we have to also be careful or conscious that also building an effective and productive teams is something that is strongly related to this. So shortly about Gora company. We are, of course, working in the software development and implementation of banking and factoring solutions. We are in this field for more than 30 years, and we are feeling that we are within this journey integrating finance, data, and information technology. We often say that we breathe like bankers or factoring and finance people, that we know what they are thinking about, what are the processes, and so on. And we really strive to deliver our services in very high quality, of course, to deliver projects in time and in budget. We are using latest technology, as we will see later, but what is the most important for us, that all our clients, which are some of them with us for a very long time, are saying that we are trustworthy, and that we are helping them to drive their, let's say, strategy, marketing strategy, whatever kind of strategy, in a very successful way. Our products portfolio might seem quite wide, but from the beginning, we are working with banking, and let's say for half of this years on factoring core solutions. Of course, there are applications like we are seeing EF3, online as our products. And all on this, we are trying to, with this solution, to provide, of course, to digitize the process, to automate the system, to speed up the process, to provide as minimum mistakes as possible when entering the data. But we are realized quite, let's say, quite often that this is not enough, that we have enough knowledge to help our customers to build something on top of these solutions. So we are also oriented to building data warehouses and putting business intelligence analytics on top of this, primarily, of course, to make some internal reports, but later also to provide regulatory reporting, and of course to make database for artificial intelligence, machine learning, something that is very, okay, let's say trendy, but also very useful in these days. Of course, we are also providing and developing custom web solutions, and today we are known that on-premise solutions are still interesting point, but also we're not having proper infrastructure. There is also possibility to start a business with us in a cloud environment. So from the services perspective, we are partnered to provide software development, to work with our clients in implementation and integration of the solution in their system, to support and provide maintenance, and of course also to help or join the teams that are working on the fields at the customers. Our journey with efcom started in 2007, so it's quite a long time ago when we first somehow bumped up with each other. We were joining one of our clients implementing efcom software in their bank. We were on the other side, let's say, as one of the customer team, on the side of customer team. But after a decade or even less, we somehow realized that we are having some same ideas, how we can grow together, and we joined forces. So Gora became a partner for, let's say, ex-Yugoslavia countries to sell efcom solutions. But also, after some years, we realized that we have also some synergy on technology, on development. So we started to work together on EF Online development. We are also Oracle partner, so this is also one of our strengths, one of our, possibility to select some products from this portfolio. And with Microsoft, we are providing or delivering EF solution within Microsoft Azure environment. We also are striving to very, as I mentioned, high quality services. So we are certified according to 2 ISO standards. One is for quality, the second one, 27001, is for information security. And all these, we are also striving to be the best partner also from a security or risk perspective, and all our processes are related to this. So what can be offered to our clients? Of course, to digitize their business, of course, and then also to extract these data and work on them to give or to get better visibility, consistency, and transparency in their business. Of course, and not the latest, but also to make information-based decisions. Thank you very much for your listening. We also have a standing point in the lobby. You're welcome to join us and ask us more about it.